In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use PayPal for international payments quickly and easily. Whether you're paying for a service abroad or sending money to family and friends overseas, PayPal can be a convenient and secure choice. Let's dive into the process step by step, ensuring you feel confident and prepared by the end of this guide. To begin, open your preferred web browser and head over to the PayPal website. Once there, navigate to the summary page where you can see your recent activities and balance. If you aren't already logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials to access this page. It's always a good idea to ensure your account is secure with a strong password and, if possible, enable two-factor authentication for added protection. Once you're on the summary page and ready to send a payment, look for the Send option. You'll typically find this prominently displayed as PayPal makes it easy to navigate their platform. Clicking on this will redirect you to the sending page where you'll input your transaction details. Now, it's time to enter your recipient's information. PayPal allows you to send money using the recipient's name, PayPal handle, email address, or even their mobile phone number. This flexibility ensures you can send money to pretty much anyone with an account. Take a moment to confirm you have the correct details before proceeding, as sending to the wrong account can delay your payment or cause unnecessary complications. Next, enter the amount you wish to send. PayPal offers the convenience of choosing from a variety of currencies, so select the one that matches your recipient's location or preference. If you'd like to include a personal note, there's an option to do so here. Adding a note can be especially useful for clarifying the purpose of your payment or simply adding a personal touch. The following step involves selecting the type of payment and your payment method. PayPal allows you to choose between several options, including paying for goods and services or sending money to friends and family. This is also where you link your preferred payment method, whether it be a bank account, credit card, or PayPal balance. Before finalizing your transaction, take a moment to review all the entered information. Make sure the recipient details, payment amount, and chosen currency are correct. PayPal will also display any applicable fees associated with your transaction. Reviewing this information carefully helps avoid any unexpected charges. Finally, once you're satisfied with everything, select Send to complete the transaction. Your recipient will receive the funds in no time, and you'll receive a confirmation email summarizing the details. Keep this email for your records, especially for tracking purposes or future references. And there you have it, a straightforward way to send international payments via PayPal. With each transaction, you build familiarity and confidence in managing your finances globally using PayPal. Remember, the key to using PayPal effectively is always double-checking your information and maintaining secure access to your account.